So, what was the case of Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company? Let's understand this. Uh, Carlyle is basically was a lady named as Carlyle, and Carbolic Smoke Ball was the name of the company. So this was the company who makes basically the smoke ball. That was like you have to be just inhale the smoke ball and you will be free from that disease, whatever the smoke ball is related to that disease. Okay, so what I want to say that this case is all the confusion of general offer. Okay, so in the previous video we had discussed that what is offer. That's what I'm telling you that what is general offer. So what happened in this case is that that company uh, advertised in the newspaper that whoever will be getting affected by the influenza after using their smoke ball, they will be rewarded as £100. So what is this? This is the kind of a general offer because it is advertised in the newspaper and it is for the large public at a large platform. Whoever will be getting or whoever have the idea knowledge about that offer, they will be accepted that. So the lady named as Carlyle, what she did that she used that smoke ball. Even after using that, she affected by influenza. So now she went to the company and asked for the money that I get the influenza even after using your smoke ball. So company denied to pay. And what was their statement? They said that you had not informed us about the communication of acceptance, that you actually accept our offer, and because you didn't we are not aware that you accept our offer, that's why we will not pay you. So the case will go to the court, and court says that general offer is that offer that is made at a large public, and whoever has the knowledge about that offer can accept it by doing some act or by doing some behavior. Right? So here what she did, she accept that offer. How she accept that offer? She accept the offer by taking that smoke ball, and this is the kind of doing some behavior, doing some action, and this action made a contract, and now company has to pay them her £100. So this was all the case of Carlyle versus Carbolic smoke ball.